Hi and welcome to C# tutorial of student result management system. Now guys, let me show you how this works. As you can see, we just need to enter the details of the student in there. That's the student details there, the course details right underneath, and here to your right are the grades for each unit. And right underneath that is the total and the ranking of the student and the dates. Right over here we have the transcript. So all we just need to do is, if the student want a printer, we can always hit on the print, and there we go, we can print that out right away. Close that. We can reset if we want, or we can exit. But before I exit, I'm going to show you the student record here. So all we then need to do is to add Burmese details there, and that's it, successfully added. If we go in there, we should be able to see Burmese details right there. And the other thing is the database. Let's go straight to the database. Burmese details is not on the database. All we then need to do is just to click on refresh. There we go, and that's our details. Just for your information guys, this is an overview, and I'll see you guys with a full tutorial shortly.